In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add digital download products to Shopify. Hey guys, welcome to another Shopify tutorial. If you have watched our tutorials in the past, you probably own a business or in the process of building a Shopify store. And if you decide that you would like to take your store off your hands and focus more on the business, then you need to check out our Sales Accelerator Program. This program uses online advertising to increase your sales on your website. And as always, if you aren't already subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you know when we drop more tutorials. Let's get into it. So the first thing that we want to do is go to apps. We first have to install an app that allows us to insert the actual digital product in here. So we're going to search for digital downloads, and this app is made by Shopify. So we want to look for this one. It has the black icon and it's going to say buy Shopify. We're going to click on it and then add the app. It's completely free. I'm going to click install. And that's it for now. The next thing we're going to do is add the product. So we're going to go back to products. We're going to add a product. And then in here, we're going to call this, what was it? The how to train your dog with treats. In the description, we want to have some sort of description in here. I'm just gonna retype this by Christian. Next, we want to add some sort of picture for that. So I've created a cover for it. So I have the ebook cover. Beautiful. Training your dog with treats. How to train it over that. Almost the same title. Next, we want to add the pricing. Do this $10. We want to charge tax. This option here is the inventory option is optional. So you can track quantity. You could also do, if you were doing, let's say this ebook, I only want to sell 10 copies just to kind of create that sense of urgency for some people. You can do track quantity and just do quantity of 10. If not, if you don't want to track quantity, you can just completely uncheck that. You can also track quantity, maybe do some extravagant number, 900. And then you can also click on continue selling when out of stock. That way you'll never really sell out of this product since it's a digital download. But yeah, the next thing is, and this is where it's important, you want to uncheck where it says this is a physical product. You uncheck that, and that will give us the ability to have that downloadable product. You could also create variants for digital products. So if you think about, if we were selling this book, maybe we want to create a more deluxe version of this book where it has a few extra chapters in it. We can create a variant for that. In this instance, we're just going to leave it like that and click save. And then right here within the product, we're going to click on more actions, and then we're going to click on add digital attachment. This is where the actual ebook aspect comes into play. All we've uploaded so far is just the cover photo of that ebook. So we're going to add digital downloads, and I can do that because I've already installed the app digital downloads. So this will open up the product, and then the title, $10. There's no file attached. I'm going to upload a file. So how to train your dog with treats.pdf. Click open. It's going to upload the file right here. And that's basically it. Now that you have your product in here, when your customers are going through the checkout process, they will be able to just download this particular product after they submitted their payment and after they're checked out of your store. And I believe this will also send them an automatic email in order to receive that downloadable product. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please make sure that you hit that like button on this tutorial. And if you enjoyed this, please just consider subscribing to our channel where we upload almost every week, multiple times. So if you want to check out more Shopify tutorials, definitely check out our playlist that has all of our Shopify tutorials listed in there. And that will help you tremendously. Subscribe to our channel, hit that bell button so you get notified anytime we drop new tutorials.